Hello, my amazing Algebra Half students. This is Mrs. A, and I love math. And today we're doing lesson 33, which is order of operations. And the big deal about this lesson is that we are going to always multiply or divide. Now, your book is saying multiply right now because that's what they're teaching you, but multiplication and division are going to take place before adding and subtracting. So in this lesson, we're just showing the multiplication portion, but if you ever see a single division problem in there, you would do that also before you would do addition or subtraction. So the rule is really that as we move from left to right, we're going to do all multiplication or division first, and then we're going to do all adding and subtracting next. And we will do them as we see them left to right. Because in a book you read left to right. And so in a math problem we read left to right. And we're going to attack the problems left to right. The numbers left to right. So on this one, as we move left to right, we see an addition problem. And then we see a multiplication. We're always going to do the multiplication before the addition. You can think of the multiplication as being a higher ranking priority than the addition, okay? So if you were walking up to a captain and a general, you would salute the general first, okay? Because he is a higher ranking officer than the captain is. Okay, so you're always going to look at the highest ranking operation, and times outranks addition. Okay, so we're going to do 3 times 5 is 15, and then we're going to add the 4 to the 15 and get 19. Okay, so we're going to only do 4 more problems and our lesson's going to be done. Okay, so this is example 1 for us here. And remember, as we're moving left to right, we're going to look for the highest ranking items. So all of these problems, there's no division in any of these. This is a lesson about multiplication being a higher order, and later on we'll do division also. Okay, so here we have 41 minus times plus times. So moving left to right, this times is the first one that's a higher ranking priority. So we're going to say 41, take away 15, plus, and now we have 4 times 6, which is a higher rank than 5 times 4. So 4 times 6 comes next, 24. Okay, so now everything is subtraction and addition, and they're at the same level. So we're going to do that left to right. So 41, take away 15 is going to be 26. 26 plus 24 is 50. So the answer should be 50. And if you look in your book, the answer is 50. Okay, this is the last example, and then we're going to have some practice problems. So a plus, a times, a minus, a times, a plus, a times. Okay, the times is a higher priority than both the addition and subtraction. So let's go to our first times, and let's do that. So we have a 15. And so we're just going to tack this one on and do that in the next step. And then we're going to zip over to our next multiplication. And we've got a minus, but then we have a 2 times a 4, which is going to be an 8. Now, we could say minus 2 times 4, or we could say minus 2 times 4. And we're going to still get a negative 8 either way we do it. And then, lastly, 6 times 3 is 18. Okay, so now, left to right, there's nothing but addition and subtraction. So let's go with that left to right. 4 plus 15 is 19. 19 take away 8 is 11. 11 plus 18 is 29. And 29 is the correct answer. So now we're going to do some practice problems. Okay, copy your practice problem and then pause your video. Okay, hopefully you went off and did that by yourself. Okay, so multiplication is higher, multiplication is higher. So we're going to just copy this down. 3 times 6 is 18 minus 2 times 3 is 6. So that's the order. Now we're going to go left to right. 4 plus 18 is 22. 22 take away 6 is 16. So hopefully you got a 16 for that practice problem. Last practice problem for this lesson. What a quick lesson. Okay, so here we're going to look again. Plus, times, minus, times. So we're going to go straight to the times because times is a higher priority. So 2 plus 3 times 6 is 18, minus 4 times 3 is 12. So now we're going to attack it left to right. 2 plus 18 is 20. 20 take away 12 is 8. 20 take away 12 is 8. There you have it. That is the end of lesson 33. And this is Mrs. A, and may God bless your day.